How to log into ExxonMobil Career. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Tech Basics. Hope you guys all are fine. Today I'll be guiding you how to log into ExxonMobil Career. Login in ExxonMobil Career is quite easy, so without any delay, let's get started. Open your web browser, launch your preferred web browser on your computer. Visit ExxonMobil Career, type ExxonMobil Career into the address bar of your web browser and press enter. Find the login option. Once you are on the ExxonMobil Career homepage, click on View Profile located at top right corner of the page. Enter your credential. On the login page, you'll typically see fields to enter your email address and your password. Input the email address associated with ExxonMobil Career in the designated field. Then enter the password in the provided field. If you have forgotten your password, click on Forgot your password, and if you don't have an account yet, click on Create an account. Click on Sign in. After entering your credential, click on the Sign in button to proceed. Verify if necessary. Depending on your account setting, you may need to complete a verification step. This could involve entering a verification code sent to your email or phone number. Access your account. After entering your credential, you should be logged into ExxonMobil Career profile. Here you can view job postings, apply for position, update your profile, and perform other relevant tasks. That's it. You have logged in successfully. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below, and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.